Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made pumpkin waffles. These are really tasty and they're perfect thing to have for breakfast in the fall. So, let's get started. Alright, gonna watch mixing bowl, put in 1 cup of plain flour. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1½ teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll just mix it together a little bit. Now in another mixer bowl, put in 2 raw eggs. Now to beat these eggs. Three-quarter cup of milk. Half a cup of pumpkin puree. Now I'm using canned pumpkin puree, but you can also use a regular pumpkin. Just cut up a pumpkin, steam it, and then you puree them. But I'm using a canned pumpkin puree because it's much faster. And then you want 1/4 cup of butter. Then you mix it well. Oh, this looks so good. And get the dry ingredients and pour this mixture straight in. Now this part's optional, but if you want, you get a little bit of food gel. Like 1. If you don't have food gel, you can put a few drops of water and a few drops of yellow, then you will get orange. But just mix this. Now don't over mix it, otherwise the waffle might be very heavy. So we just want to mix it so we get all the one side. And then you get your waffle iron and pour the mixture straight in the center. Then you just close it. And then just wait for like a few minutes and then we'll see what we get. Alright, let's open up and check. Oh, this is beautiful. And there you go. Nice plate of pumpkin waffles. Yummy. Well, I hope you guys tried my recipe for a pumpkin waffle, as you can see. Oh, they're so good, and it's still a bit hot, so make sure let it cool down. So let's have a bite. Oh, delicious, so fluffy and delicious. And you can also store this in the freezer, then heat them up in the toaster. So yeah. Before I end this video, I want to let you guys know there'll be no video next week because it's the day before Thanksgiving. So yeah, we might have a lot of cooking to do, and the kitchen will be quite packed. So there'll be no video next week because it's the day before Thanksgiving, and yeah, I hope you guys understand that. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, then we'll see you next time for a new recipe. Peace out.